Morning.
Good morning, sir. This is a working model of driving monitoring safety system. So in our project, there are totally four steps or concepts. So it is a special type of specs or which is to be where by the driver of that vehicle who is driving the vehicle, and if the driver of that vehicle was facing fatigue or drowsiness or having less of concentration while driving, then and having or if the driver of the vehicle is in sleepy mode, then this is a special type of specs that gives a siren because it contains a IR sensor. And the number two step is that if after that if the driver was not inattentive, then the vehicle will suddenly stop on the spot, and after that there are all indicators of that vehicle will be on, and due to which the
So all it will be automatically.
yes sir, and all the indicators of that vehicle will be on, and the and the vehicles which are coming before the stopping vehicle, then they will come and caught the vehicle means by go to their
It will be side. It will go to the side.
yes. And the 4 number concept is that there is a water supply which is directly connected to the
Where we can get this water? From where?
there is a special type of compartment inside the vehicle.
Quantum physics, day-to-day life.
Oh, this is a compartment which is installed in the vehicle.
Yes sir, yes sir.
A lot of
There is a special type of concept or special type of water connection which is directly connected to the to the sunglasses or to the specs, due to which after all the steps, if the driver was not inattentive, then there is a water supply which will spray a layer of water on the two eyes of that vehicle. After that, he will control its vehicle and go on his track.
It is the first step. If all the previous 3 steps are not working, then it will be
It is the last
final
step.
step.
अशेष धन्यवाद दिवासी सर को। दिवासी सर हिपी आज विज्ञान मंच केंद्र पर स्वागत करे शिवासी सर हिपी।
Thank you.
शिवासी सर हिपी।